Usually we have more negative thoughts than positive thoughts. In fact, the numbers is about 60% of what goes through our mind are usually negative thoughts. What do you think are strengths? How do you define it? It would be the qualities or states of being strong, a good quality or an attribute of the person. It could be anything that is like a quality that we hold on to. It could be a skill, it could be a knowledge, it could be a talent. It doesn't have to be something like, a superhuman strength, something out of the world that needs to be very unique that you're the only one to have. Why is it that finding inner strength can be difficult for people? If I were to ask you, what are some of your strengths? Some of you here might have some difficulties looking and writing it out. However, if I ask you a different question, what are some of your weaknesses? Many of you are likely to find that it's an easier question to answer. I have a question that I want you to just try answering. How many thoughts do you have per day? So this is the average number is 70,000 per day. Now the key question I have for you is, do you have more positive or negative thoughts per day? There's no right or wrong. Usually we have more negative thoughts than positive thoughts. In fact, the numbers is about 60% of what goes through our mind are usually negative thoughts. Why is it that we have more negative thoughts? Is it because of the environment that we are in that really causes us to have more negative thoughts? Or is it that the brain somehow there's an influence of there and then we tend to pick up more negative thoughts? The mindsets, part of the beliefs, the perceptions about ourselves matters a lot, because in the fixed mindset, people believe that the talents and the skills, right, our strength are fixed from birth. You either have it or you don't have it at all. And there's no way that you can improve qualities, intelligence, your skills, or anything. However, on the other hand, the growth mindset believes that if you put in time and effort into it, then your talents, your skills can be developed over time. And therefore, the attitude is more evolving.